Question 2. The quadratic equation, this one, has roots of -3 and 6. Find the values of P and Q. Okay. So they gave us the quadratic equation x squared plus P minus 5x plus 2Q equals to 0. Okay. The general form is x squared minus SORX plus POR equals to 0. So from here, if we compare, minus SOR is the same as P minus 5. And product of roots will be 2Q. So we can say P minus 5, P minus 5 is negative sum of roots. And 2Q equals to product of roots. So this will be how we solve this lah. Okay. Right. So sum of roots will be both the roots we have to plus. So -3 plus 6. And product of roots will be these two roots a times. So -3 times 6. Then we solve. So P minus 5 is negative. -3 plus 6 is 3. So P will be -3 plus 5. 2. Here 2Q is -18. Therefore Q is -18 over 2. Q is -9. Done. That's it.